Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjeev P. Sahani presenting to you a new episode of CHIPS Infotainment. Today we will be discussing autism spectrum. Autism is one of the 5 developmental disorders including under the umbrella of the pervasive developmental disorders. Autism is characterized by deficits in a social interaction and communication and unusual and repetitive behavior. Cognitive abilities in people with autism vary between those with average to above average intelligence to borderline and mild mental retardation, and others who function with the moderate to profoundly mentally retarded range. At times, severely handicapping condition, autism manifests at birth or within the first 2.5 years of life. Autism affects people in different ways despite the similarities in the core impairments. However, in each individual who has autism, the symptoms of autism vary in severity and expression. For years, India did not find the number of extent of the autism spectrum disorder. Doctors routinely called it a Western syndrome, doubting its prevalence here. It's one of the most misdiagnosed disorders. According to International Clinical Epidemiology Network Trust, 10 million children likely suffer from autism in India. 1 to 1.5% or 1 in 66 children between ages 2 and 9 are affected in India. The survey was conducted on 4,000 households in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and Goa in collaboration with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Thiruvananthapuram Medical College, and Universities of Stanford and Pennsylvania, US. The leading cause of autism is now being considered genetic. At the root of it is a single gene which creates a protein crucial for brain cells to talk to each other. While everyone has FMR1 on sex chromosome X, for some the gene undergoes abnormal changes, appearing as broken, pinched in, or fragile under a microscope. The fragile X action means a circuit will not work. Because of this mutation, an autistic brain is different from birth. Fragile X chromosome often passes from one generation to the next with no sign or symptoms. But when it strikes, it affects males more. 1 in 4,000 boys to 1 in 6,000 girls. Up to 20% of boys with autism have the condition due to Fragile X. One way to solve the problem of autism is to help the brain create new neural pathways that shut out extra noise. Reversing autism is one of the medicine's toughest challenges. That's it for today. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.